Well, questions still linger for some Edinburg parents after a school bus incident on Tuesday. Their children were on a school bus for hours.
Here's Channel 5's Monica de Anda.
Yesterday, Edinburg CISD school district officials told us their bus driver followed protocol. Today, we're learning more details about the incident and the expectations of another Valley school district. Parents say the incident involved 8 6th-grade students from Harwell Middle School. Their kids kept on a bus for more than 3 hours. One of the students on the bus telling us,
he stopped in a dark place. He turned off all the lights in the bus.
Today, Romeo Cantu, spokesperson for Edinburg CISD, told us the lights were off for safety reasons. He says the bus driver can't drive with lights on because it causes a glare on the windshield.
He would just pass our houses, tell him to go like right or left. He wouldn't care.
Cantu told us bus drivers taking students home following the after-school program don't take a normal route. But he didn't offer any specifics on the route this driver may have taken. He adds all Edinburg CISD buses are equipped with video, audio, and GPS. Following a thorough review and investigation, the bus driver was found to have followed protocol and was cleared. But parents didn't understand.
If they were misbehaving, they should be punished. But if not, I don't know what was on his mind driving with them 3 hours.
Edinburg CISD also couldn't comment on the length of the route, whether any students would face consequences, or what their specific protocol is. So we went to Mission CISD to learn about their protocol.
Bus drivers, when they have the route, there are assigned bus stops for those routes, and that's where they're allowed to drop off students.
It's important to note that bus driver protocols vary from each school district. Verley says their bus drivers go through different scenarios year-round.
Bus drivers are trained, they do go through extensive training on any number of different issues to try to prepare them for all the different types of scenarios that they may be faced with, whether they're a full-time bus driver or a substitute bus driver.
When an issue arises on the bus,
depending upon what that situation is, it winds up being sometimes a joint effort between our transportation department and the campus is involved in trying to reach out to the parents.
One of the Edinburg parents showed us where their child is usually dropped off on Tower Road. That's just over 6 miles from the gas station where she ultimately picked up her son 2 nights ago. From the middle school to where some parents tell us they pick up their children, it took us 8.5 minutes to get here. So the question many parents still have is, why did it take 3 hours this time? Cantu did tell us in this case, the driver picked up over 40 students, which is why it took longer than usual. He also told us the driver has 10 years of experience, and he reiterated in this case, the driver has been cleared. Cantu says the investigation is still ongoing, but due to the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, he could not comment on whether any students could face consequences. Live in the studio, Monica de Anda, Channel 5 News at 6.